The NuPhy Air75 V2 is a standout in the world of low-profile mechanical keyboards, offering a solid combination of build quality, portability, and performance. After diving into expert reviews, customer feedback, and the technical specifications, it's clear that this keyboard excels in many areas, making it one of the best options in its category. One of the most impressive aspects of the Air75 V2 is its versatility when it comes to connectivity. The keyboard supports both Bluetooth and a higher performance 2.4 GHz USB connection. The Bluetooth connection is not only efficient in terms of battery life, but also supports multi-device pairing for up to 3 devices, which is an excellent feature for those who need to switch between multiple systems seamlessly. The 2.4 GHz wireless option, on the other hand, is ideal for users who need a more stable and faster connection for competitive gaming or any task that demands precision. In terms of build quality, the Air75 V2 does not disappoint. It boasts a solid and sleek design with high-quality PBT keycaps that provide a comfortable typing experience. These keycaps are slightly textured, giving them a pleasant feel under your fingers, and their high-quality material ensures that they won't wear down quickly. However, one thing to note is that the key legends are not shine-through, which can be a downside for those who prefer backlighting for better visibility in low-light environments. Despite the full RGB backlighting, the lack of shine-through legends means the key labels are hard to read in darker settings. The key switches are another highlight, with several mechanical options to choose from. Whether you're into gaming, typing, or programming, the Air75 V2 offers something for everyone. The switches are responsive and provide a satisfying feedback, which is essential for both work and play. The flattened, tile-like keycaps take some getting used to, but are designed to reduce typos by providing ample space between keys. Portability is where the Air75 V2 shines. Its slim, compact design makes it easy to carry around, whether you're taking it to a coffee shop or traveling for work. If portability is a top priority, you might also want to consider the even more compact NuPhy Air60 V2. Alternatively, if you prefer a more traditional layout with a numpad, the Air96 V2 is worth checking out. Overall, the NuPhy Air75 V2 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a low-profile mechanical keyboard with strong performance, flexibility, and portability. It's perfect for a variety of users, from gamers to professionals, and its sleek design and solid build quality make it a worthwhile investment. However, the lack of shine-through legends and the adjustment period for the keycaps may be drawbacks for some. Despite these minor flaws, the Air75 V2 stands out as one of the best in its class.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.